Hi, I'm Kristie, and I'm going to explain to you how to bring your smile to life. I'm going to show you how to use our teeth whitening kit. So once you open the box, you'll find inside our user manual and the teeth whitening device. This device connects to any computer, Apple device, or Android device. Underneath the appliance, you'll find a tab, and once you pull it back, that's where you'll find the gel. Before you start whitening your teeth, we provided a shade guide so you can find out what shade your teeth are currently at. To use the whitening gel, you'll take the top off and you'll spin this until the whitening gel starts coming out. Just apply the gel to the outside surfaces of your teeth on the top and the bottom. You'll use about 1/4 to 1/5 of this whitening gel per application. After you apply the gel, use the connection for your device, plug it in, and it'll light up. And you'll put this in your mouth for as little as 10 minutes or as much as 16 minutes a day. Once you're done whitening your teeth, you disconnect the device, rinse your mouth, and rinse the device with water. Store it dry in the case until you're ready to use it again tomorrow. Every 6 months at your follow-up visit, your hygienist will give you a jumbo refill tube of the whitening gel. Here's to whiter, brighter teeth.